Okay, so I'm standing in front of the CNC lathe today, and I'm going to work on how to load an existing program from the memory of the machine. So reset, and then we'll go straight to list programs. And then what you have is kind of a series of file folders that run across the top of here, and they go between memory and then the USB. And what you want to do to toggle between both of those, you'll go home, arrow up, and then you can toggle back and forth between the two file folders. And the tab of the active one is red, so you have your USB device is highlighted here. Next we go over here, we have memory. So memory is what we want to look at. We'll go to list programs. Sometimes you may need to hit enter on that. We can then page down or page up through all of our programs if we're looking for a certain program. Let's just say we're looking for 1062, and to find that one we can search through all of them by page up or down, or arrow up or down, or we can just simply hit the down arrow button and it finds that program. Now to load that program from the machine's memory into the machine itself, we're simply going to hit program select. At that point, you can see the program highlight over here on this screen. This is not our active screen yet. If we want to get ready to run this program or edit it, we need to make it active because it needs to be white.